Progress is a process. It develops steadily every day. So a lot can happen in 50 years. Let's rewind, shall we? Manufacturing back then looked a lot like this, and innovation looked a lot like that. Thing is, you really had to look everywhere. Until EMO showed up. A place where the world's best come together. Where the future of metalworking takes shape. Where ideas turn into breakthroughs. Soon enough, the world started to take notice. Manufacturing became connected. The industry knew exactly where to look for the next big thing. EMO was here to stay. And when machines got smarter, processes got faster, and factories started to run more and more efficiently, everyone was on board. We've come a long way since then. From manual machining to smart factories. From blueprints on paper to AI-driven production. From industrial robots to flying cars. Well, a few things may take us a little longer. But thanks to you, the innovators, the problem solvers, the supporters and advocates, we will keep making progress. You'll see, for sure. At EMO, 50 years of innovating manufacturing.